Caught like a fly in a web of your lies. Is truth be told now, or it's meet your demise? So how did it feel when you held the knife that you stuck right in my back 1,000 times? Your grandfather would probably roll in the grave if he knew of the person that you had became. I will not just lay down and take this. Not again, not again. You have left my heart black and blue, just like your father. Did you? How does it feel knowing you're barely alive? Seeing through bloodshot eyes, you're left empty inside. Where I was, strung out and dragged through the mud. I must agree, you're just like me. And when you die, I won't be at your wake. No eulogy for me, just a smile on my face. And while God might be busy with judging your soul, I will have slept with the girl that you loved most. You have left my heart black and blue, just like your father. Did you? How does it feel knowing you're barely alive? Seeing through bloodshot eyes, you're left empty inside. Where I was, strung out and dragged through the mud. I must agree, you're just like me.